Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good day and welcome to the show. I'm glad to have you guys here on this Friday, the 1st of July, 2022. Told you guys, gotta send in your pets photos now. I'm gonna put a link in the description, and it doesn't have to be a traditional pet like just a dog or a cat. It can be almost anything. You know, even a horse or some sort of anything that moves. You know, anything that's alive, it's a pet. And send the photos in. It could be a lizard. But I'll send it into the link that I'm going to have in the description of this video. And let's get started. Let's take a look at what's going on with the silver price today. We're down 50 cents. That's a lot. The Fed's doing something right now with the Fed and the other central banks. With the bond markets, manipulation of some sort. I just don't know exactly all the details of what they're doing. And there's trillions of dollars being lost in the equity markets, and so we're waiting to see just exactly how all this is going to pan out. But here we go. So we're looking at $19.76 for silver. And let's take a look at gold today. Gold's at $18.02 today. And it's down $5.20 on the day so far. It's not nice to see gold and silver continue this fall. They're getting down near mining production costs, especially silver. I mean, less than $20. What can you buy with $20 now? And what they have to do is they have to get that silver out of several hundred pounds of rocks. There's tiny little fragments of silver inside the rocks. They have to pulverize those rocks and everything for less than $20. You know, you're getting great value because you're getting down near what it costs them. Take a look at cryptocurrency today at 19,428 a day so far for Bitcoin and the cryptos. Take a look at Yahoo Finance, and we're going to take a look at the Dow Jones today. So give it a second. It's down 198 points, 30,576 on the day so far. So we're down 198 points on the Dow. Let's take a look now at crude oil. And looks like we're down $2.24 at 108 for crude. And now we're going to move on to the MOVE index, and it's at 135.50, and we're seeing it trend upwards over the year. And bonds and rates today. And we're looking at falling yields. Quite substantial here. Looking at the 10-year at 2.8. Down 17.4 basis points. Boy, that's a big move for one day. Only one entity could make it move that far in one day. Because that's a lot of money. 30-year, 30.04. And it's down 8.1 basis points on the day so far. Now we're going to take a look at the US dollar index at 105.58. And the dollar index is climbing today, and that's to be expected. You know, the Bank of International Settlements is going to allow member banks to hold 1% of their reserves in Bitcoin. And it says it might seem like a rather odd move for the Bank of International Settlements to make after Bitcoin's lost 60% of its value. But the globalist institution is now allowing member banks to hold 1% of their reserves in cryptocurrencies. Around 1.8 trillion total. This is about recognition of Bitcoin as a viable trade mechanism. Or is there an agenda at foot? The Bank of International Settlements is known as a central bank of central banks for a reason, and it has a long notorious history as kind of a control hub of handling orders for national central banks. Well, you just don't know exactly what's going to happen with cryptocurrencies. I'm going to say don't ever count Bitcoin out. You know, and where, who, and where, and what invented it in the first place. You know, it's a very strange thing because it's a new invention that's like the world's never seen before. But that, on the other hand, gold and silver look awful cheap right now for me. I'm seeing the price is so low, it's getting down near mining production cost, and I'm thinking, what great value for whoever wants to bounce in. You know, and ultimately, we know where the fiat currencies are going to go in the end. So listen, thank you guys for listening to my show. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys with a little bit longer show very, very soon. Bye-bye, and you guys have a great day.